So let's assume that we're trying to search for female bags. Enter female bags, then click on this button. This is search, then hold until a page appears. Okay, this is our page for the bag we searched for. Okay, let's try to translate this page. So as you can see, our page is translated to English. Alright, so this is the page for our bags, for what we searched. Then there is what we do. We have to try to filter our searches just like we did on Alibaba. Then the first thing is for us to identify what we need, because on 1688 there are some parameters you have to learn and some parameters you have to note so that you don't make mistakes in buying. So the first thing we're going to do is you have to let's look into this very product. Okay, when you take a very look at this, when you take a very look at this, you have this is the seller's name, Biden Bargain City Trading Company. So this is a trading company, they are not manufacturers. So that is one. Then the second thing there is number of years they have been selling on the number of years they've been selling on 1688. And also another thing there is turning rate. This customer rate shows how customers keep buying with this same seller. As you can see, the turning rate is 31.4%, which is not too really bad. It is from 0% to 100%, but this one has 31.4%, so it's not really a bad idea anyway. So another thing now is these icons, they vary depending on the seller. So this icon now, you have this delivery guarantee. That means your delivery is so guaranteed, and this delivery guarantee is only acceptable and only exclusive in China. So you don't expect yourself to buy something from this seller and expect your item to have delivery guarantees. No, what this delivery guarantee means that your product will be shipped to you wherever you are in China. That is the delivery guarantee. If your delivery is not received, then you can now call on to them so that they can do something about it. Then this material guarantee is if they tell you that this very material is a leather, genuine leather. That means the material is genuine leather. If they tell you this is a PU material, this is a PU material. That is what they mean by material guarantee. Then when we take a look at this free credit depends on the promotion they will give you, but this is not really important. Then when you check the next option, okay, this icon shows what they call a verifiable seller, just like in Alibaba. This serves the same manner as in Alibaba, showing that this seller has been verified. Either an organization or an institution has been sent to verify the location of this very seller, the number of staff they have, and their projection rate. This is what it is. And also when you check on this, you have delivery guarantee also, and then we have 7 days replacement. This means that if there is something with your products, that means you have a 7 days replacement, or what you normally call return policy. Then when we scroll down again, then this one has 15 days replacement. That means it has an extended 15 days replacement. That's just in case when there is a problem with your product. This has 48 hours delivery. This means that your item must be shipped within the 48 hours to your Chinese agent, not to Nigeria or your country, but it means that this product must be shipped within the next 48 hours to your agent in China, not your country. Then let's try to filter our search. Just like here, we have classification. Then if you are looking for a leather bag or PU bag, you can now select leather bag. So here is our filter. What this means, everything you see here is leather bag. So let's go ahead. Now this may not be so important. Delivery may not be important since we are shipping to Nigeria. Some sellers or some suppliers, they offer free shipping, but that's really not our problem here. Our problem is to find whether we need a leather bag or other material. Then I think we are okay with the filtering here. This is nice. then you can now decide to either shop any of these products or not. So that is how it works. Do your researches, make sure you study. So do your researches, make sure you study all these parameters. And also one thing you find here is some of these parameters, they all disappeared. This one only offer 48-hour delivery. Then this guy is verified. Then also this guy has a free credits for promotion. On this one have 48 delivery hour. Okay, that's not bad. Just try to filter in and know which one best suits your need.